We are finally in New York. The buildings are huge.
I can't wait to explore.
The city was busy.
Let's start our adventure.
Look at all the people.
I've never seen buildings this tall.
Everything is exciting.
The city felt alive.
This hotel looks wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Analia.
What a beautiful room. The view was amazing.
Look at those skyscrapers.
I want to remember this.
Their adventure began.
Wow!
This place is incredible.
It feels like a movie.
Smile.
People were everywhere. That was fun.
Let's take another picture.
I love these souvenirs.
There is so much to see.
I feel so happy.
Next, they visited Central Park.
This place is peaceful.
The park was beautiful.
The ducks are cute.
I love watching nature.
Let's sit for a moment.
People enjoyed the park.
That looks fun.
These flowers are beautiful.
What a lovely park.
Then they visited a famous landmark.
The
the water looks beautiful.
There it is.
It's bigger than I imagined.
Everyone was excited.
This is unforgettable.
I'm learning so much.
Soon it was lunchtime.
That's enormous.
Enormous.
It's bigger than my face.
This pizza is delicious.
Lunch was wonderful.
Let's learn some history.
This is interesting.
New York has changed a lot.
The exhibits were fascinating.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
There is so much history here.
Next, they crossed the bridge.
The view is amazing.
What a beautiful city.
The day was ending.
This is my favorite view.
The city looks magical.
The lights were even brighter.
It's even better at night.
This city never sleeps.
I want to remember this trip.
We found some nice gifts.
Look at all our memories.
The city was beautiful at night. Our first day was unforgettable.